Hey there, artists. Today we're going to learn how to draw a minion. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the minion's eyes first, which are going to be two circles for the goggles. So the easiest way to do this is I'm going to draw like a wide M shape. So I'm going to be two arches like this. So I did one arch just like that, and I want to do one on the opposite side. I'm going to draw this one a little bit longer. Now, I'm going to draw this shape, but upside down underneath it to complete these two circles. So it'll kind of look like a figure 8. So as you can see, I messed up my line here, but that's okay. Nothing's perfect, and I'm just going to keep going, and I'm going to try my best. Inside these goggles, I'm going to draw a full circle. And I want to do that on the other side as well. Now, inside these circles, I'm going to draw some eyes by drawing another set of circles. And inside those circles, I'm going to draw another set of circles. And let's go ahead and fill this portion in. So now that I have the eyes, I have an idea of where the rest of his body is going to be. So I'm going to finish out the goggles by drawing two rectangles or two squares on each side of the goggle. As you can imagine, his head is going to be fitting within these goggles. So I'm going to do this large arch or this huge upside down U, and it'll look like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these straight lines that come down. Right about there. And let's give our minion a little smirk or a little smile. So our minion's going to have some overalls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle, but I'm going to kind of draw it at an angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two lines like this on each side. And I'm going to close off my rectangle here. And inside those rectangles, I'm going to add two circles where the buttons are going to be. Now, for the top of his overalls, I'm going to draw a line from here to there, and it's just going to be a straight line. Real quick, according to EasyScienceForKids.com, they speak a language called Minionese, which is a mix of Spanish, English, Russian, Korean, and Italian. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So let's move on to the rest of the overalls. So I'm going to draw these two parallel lines like this. And we're going to draw a line that goes across. So now what I want to do is I want to draw kind of like another wide U shape that connects this line and this line. Now, feel free to pause the video at any point if you need to catch up. It's no big deal. You can work at your own pace. Just take your time and enjoy the process. So now this is going to be the lower half of his body, or the lower half of his overalls. So let's work on the arms. For the arms, let's work on the right side. I'm going to draw a curved line that comes down like this. I'll do that on both sides, actually. And now what we're going to do is we're going to, actually let's make it a little bit longer so it goes past his waist. And we're going to draw some hands. So for the hands, I'm going to do like these backwards J shapes for this hand. So now that I have this backwards J, I'm going to do like a large U shape. Now for the last finger, I'm going to do like a backwards C shape. And we're going to draw a line that comes straight up like that. So they do wear gloves. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a straight line that comes across like this. So that's one hand. So we got a hand here. To finish out the arm, I'm going to actually draw the side of his body, so it kind of looks like it's behind the minion's body. So same thing on the other side. Let's actually work on the side of the body here. Now let's work on his arms. So his arms, again, just adding some straight lines like this. For the hands, I'm going to come down and make like a backwards J, or sorry, a regular J. Now a wide U shape and a C shape. I'm actually connect these lines together. And now I'm just going to draw a straight line across. Now they got these short legs, so I'm going to draw these parallel lines that kind of go inward. So that's one set. We'll do the other leg as well. So now I'm just going to connect this line to this line by drawing a wide curved line. And we're going to do the same thing on this other side. So now that we have the legs, let's finish it off with the shoes. For the shoes, I'm just going to do kind of like a C shape. And then backwards C shape on this side. Now to finish off this shoe, I'm going to do like a backwards L. So we'll go straight line and up. And then on his left leg, we're going to do a regular L. So we'll go straight line into the side. So let's add some details to kind of fine-tune our minion. They have this pocket in their center of the overalls. So for the pocket, I'm going to do a straight line across. And I'm going to do a large U. To give him some pockets or some folds in his overalls, we're going to draw this curved line that comes from this side right here, and we're going to just draw it in like this, like a curved line. So again, we'll come straight down, and we're going to curve it. We'll give him some hair by just doing some wide curved lines. So I'm going to go. Now you could be creative here if you like. Give him any type of hair you want. I'm just adding some curved lines like so. Now I know they all have distinct names, but I guess I don't really know the name of this one. Stuart? Kevin? I know it's not Bob. So, in the middle of this pocket, they have a circle with the letter G for Gru, right? So I'm going to draw a circle. And inside that circle for the G, we're going to do like an upside down V, like this. And then we're going to do a regular V on the bottom. And you know what? Let's just draw a circle in the middle of that diamond, like this. And we'll draw a straight line across the diamond. So now I want to fill in this area of my Gru, or of my letter logo, I guess. Like so. So this is a very simple outline of a minion. As you can tell, I didn't go the way I wanted to on the side right here, but that's okay. Because you know what? Nothing's perfect, and I tried my best. So what I'm going to do now